Hi everyone, in this video today I'm going to be unboxing the BoltHub which was a Kickstarter campaign. Now I have my doubts because it says designed by Bezos Studios, and there was another campaign. Basically they were claiming that it was a hub, and yeah, it also turned out to be a Bezos product. So at this point I really don't know if this is the real deal or if they just rebrand one product, or yeah, you know. There's a lot of stuff going around on Kickstarter, and there has been a lot of scams lately. But this turned out not to be a scam. It's just that the branding, I don't know why, if they cooperate with Bezos and they do these products, that's something that we don't know. But yeah, the BoltHub is a hub for the supposedly made for the iPad. But of course it works with other devices, and you can see that this is the, yeah, it says Bezos, you know, yeah. It's a Bezos product. Essentially, this should be a USB-C hub for the iPad, but it also works with other devices because it's a USB-C, and that's why I got it. I don't have an iPad, so we have here some, you know, simple ports: USB 3 port, HDMI, SD card slot, micro SD card slot, USB-C for charging, and we have a headphone jack. So pretty much really simple product. This is the Bezos BoltHub from Bezos. Yeah, pretty simple packaging. We have the manual here, and it comes with this. Maybe this is just for the cable. No, pretty much that's all that comes with the BoltHub by Bezos. Again, this was a Kickstarter campaign, and I just received it today, so there you have it. So, pretty much simple video. Thank you for watching this video. If you did like this video, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.